Hi, if you're new to our channel, you might have seen our Astro van camper van tour. After we posted that, we got a couple of questions about where our kitchen is. And so today we're going to show you what we store for our kitchen, how we cook our food when we're on the go. So we recently got this U-Homey fridge. It's an upgrade from our cooler that we had in here. First time using it, and thus far I really like it. We have it hooked up to our Jackery. You can try to see some of the contents. There's a section for drinks here, and then a deeper side with the divider we're not using. It's a little bit less room, I would say, than our cooler, but it is really nice not having water and ice all over our food and that sort of thing. So this is where we keep all of our food when we take our camping trips. Here's our tailgater tire cable. As you saw, it's a pretty quick setup to use this, and it's great to have when we're at dispersed campsites, maybe at a campground where we don't put set up at the table with other people. This is our cast iron pan. We use it for cooking eggs, steaks, tacos. We also carry the small pot, the smallest pot we have at home. It's for boiling water and noodles. Plates and bowls. Carry a couple sets of Tupperware with lids. We use those as the plates. I keep a couple things in here to make coffee. So slow drip, coffee grinder, because I like beans ground fresh, and a couple of coffee mugs that could be repurposed for beer, wine, liquor. When it comes to cooking, is a one stove burner. And then we have a couple of miscellaneous items in here as well. So gas for cooking, goggles for smoke. There's some utensil. Connie recently got us some nets to cover the food in case there's a lot of flies and bees around. And then if we decide that we're going to cook over the campfire or there's a grill, we have this little device. It's really good for vegetables. Tried it with meat. Tongs, of course. We have our kitchen bin, is what we call it. So our kitchen bin kind of doubles as a cutting board. That's why we got this. It's wood. Really love that. And then inside is some of the smaller pieces. So got a knife, oven mitts, in case things are hot. Miscellaneous spices, sugar, wipes, hand soap, dish soap. The other set of the utensils, some clips, olive oil, instant coffee, in case I don't want to grind it that day. Some hot chocolate and tea, and chopsticks for our noodles. Also a wine opener. So this is basically the essentials, and it's perfect for us. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you have any suggestions, any items you think we're missing here. We'd love to hear your ideas as well. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us, subscribe, like, share, and comment. It really helps out our channel.